Hello guys! Welcome back to my channel. And for those who are new, welcome here. I hope you watch more of my videos. And today, I'm going to show you this cordless vacuum cleaner with charging station, and we can use it with wet and dry. So I purchased it in the other day in Aldi for only 15 pounds. So roughly for 15 pounds, how much is that in Philippines? Like 1,000, 1,100, something like that. So I think I need this because in the car we are always paying 1 pound to vacuum inside the car. So I'm thinking if this is really nice, it will be really helpful for us. Okay, so before I open it, guys, please, if you didn't subscribe to my channel yet, please click subscribe and hit the bell so you will be notified every time I upload new video. Okay, I usually do unboxing, haul, shopping, what's the prices in Primark, what's new in H&M, what's new in IKEA, something like that content. So please do subscribe because it will really help my channel to grow. Okay, so let's go now. Let's open now. I don't have scissor here. Okay, I want to get scissor, but I think it's okay. Here. Oh, okay, now it's open, guys. So this is the vacuum now. Yeah, for 15 pounds. Really, when I saw it, if you can see my video, I put it there. How much is this? And then supposedly I saw also like one item for the clothing. So you can also clean your, what is this? Like your clothes when you have pets, something like that. I think I forgot the price. Okay, but this is inside of this one. Slowly we open. Ah, okay, it's nice. Nice color. Okay, wow, it's good so far. My first impression is good. Oh, okay. And then this one. Okay, it's all empty now. So we have this first. This is the main vacuum. Can you see it, guys? Or I'm a little far. Is it okay? Yeah, this is the vacuum. This is the charging. You can see for the charging. Yeah, and the wire is here. And this is for the charging area. Like this. And this is, it's very long, so it's good. Yeah, this is. And we have Aldi manual, wet or dry. Cordless vacuum cleaner. Yeah, oh, they have this two color, gray or blue. So nice. I choose this gray. I like gray. And another is they have this. What is this? I think this is okay. Let me open. Yeah, this one is for here. You can change, yeah, like that. Okay, so sometimes you want to use this. Wait, what is this? So this one, I don't know. Let me read, guys. This is for what? This one. This one is for what is this? Ah, liquid suction nozzle. You can see here. And then this one is for brush attachment. Yeah, here is the brush attachment. And we have this one, crevice nozzle. We have this, guys, for only 15 pounds, guys. Look, and then you can put it here. Yes, look. Look, it's very nice. And if you want to use the other one, this is the second, you know. Yeah, it's nice. And This is third. How many is here? This is the third. Yeah. And this is, there's any other here? Okay, I think nothing. Let me check. 1, 2, 3. Okay, that's it all. That's it all. So just, okay. We just have three. Okay. Yeah, we just have 3. And, okay, this one. Or this one. Okay, this one like that. So we just have 3, and then here we have the on and off. This is for the cleaning. If you want to clean, look, it's very easy, guys. Let me just go near so that you can see. It's very easy. Look, here is for the cleaning. You just press like that, and then when you just want to clean, wow, very, very, very easy. Oh my god, I'm starting to loving it. It's inside. Yeah. And then easy home cleaning. And this is, of course, and then here is the power button. Yeah, here's the power button. Let me on it for you guys, so you can hear the sound of it, if it's strong or not. But so far so good. This is for the charging. I don't know if it's charged already or not. Let us just open. Okay, sorry. Yeah, this is for the charging, which is, look at, guys. Look at, I like it. Oh my god, I'm starting to loving this product. Let me open. Oh, look. Oh, they have 2 level. We have 1 level and then second. So, oh my god, guys, I love this. I love this. I love this, guys. Let me check in my carpet now. Oh my god. It's nice, guys. I'm going to use it for the car, for the house, maybe sometimes when you just want to clean some part only. Oh my god, guys, I love it for only 15 pounds. Who would think of a 15 pound for this one? Oh my god, let me check the other one. I really like it. Let me check this. Okay. Oh my god, guys. Oh my god, guys. Do you know, guys? I just vacuum our house, our room. Before I film, I just vacuum. But look at. I know it's very dirty, but look at. He got so much things he cleaned. This one is amazing, guys. I love this, guys. I want supposedly to show you more, but unfortunately, my son doesn't like the voice. So, guys, I would really say that this vacuum is very nice because look, if you can see, so before I film, I already vacuumed the room. But look at, can you see still there's many dirt? So, I would really say that it's very nice. Look at the... Yeah. And let's see. Let's clean more here. Yeah. Oh, look. It gets more, guys. Can you see? Can you see it, guys? It's clean already, but I can see more. Oh my god. It's very nice. Look, the dirt. I can still see now the dirt. Oh my goodness. It's really, really worth it, guys. I'm telling you now. Let me open it again. Oh, yeah. It's very easy to clean. And, yeah, you just do like that. And I'm sure you can do like this. Yeah, look. It's very, very easy to clean. So, oh, look at what is inside. That is the dirt inside the house, which is after I vacuum. So, it means this vacuum is really strong, guys. So I would really highly recommend this one. If you didn't have this one, or if you are looking for smaller vacuum, or tomorrow I think we're going out, so I will bring this, I will charge this and bring it in the car so that I can also vacuum inside the car. Oh my god guys, 15 pesos, it means 15 times we go to petrol station, because you know every time we go to petrol station we also vacuum the car. So this one we save so much just because of this item. I need to tell to my husband. He needs to pay for this because I bought it and he needs to pay me. So oh my god, I really like this guys. I really do. Oh, look at the dirt. Look at the dirt. Can you see the dirt after I vacuum it? Oh, it's really amazing product. This product is Easy Home. The brand is Easy Home. You can use it in the wet, in the dry, with charging station. Yeah, very nice. And oh my god, I have 3 years warranty. I didn't know I have 3 years warranty. Oh my god, very nice guys. I need to keep this. So okay, so that's it all guys for this. Oh my god, I really love this. I really do. So for those who didn't buy yet, please go check out your Aldi. It's very nice and the size is great. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed this video guys, this unboxing. And for those who didn't subscribe, please help my channel to grow by clicking the subscribe button and hit the bell so that you will be notified every time I upload new video. Okay? I'll see you again tomorrow. Bye-bye!